In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook cover using Leonardo AI Mobile. We'll be working directly inside the Leonardo AI app, and the process is simple once you know where everything is. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your mobile device. When the app loads, tap on Generate to begin creating your cover. From there, tap on the Model section, then choose Image and select the model you want to use for your design. This part matters because different models can produce slightly different visual styles, so pick one that fits the kind of ebook cover you want to make. Next, tap the settings icon so you can customize how your cover will be generated. In this area, choose the image quality, set your image dimensions, and decide how many versions you want Leonardo AI to generate at once. If you want a standard ebook cover size, select the 2:3 ratio. This is the most common layout for Amazon, Kindle, and many other digital ebook platforms. If you prefer a slightly taller and more modern-looking design, you can use 10:16 instead, which works especially well for sleek, mobile-friendly visuals. Now move to the text input box. This is where you describe exactly what you want the cover to look like. Be specific about the theme, the main character or object, the mood, the colors, and any title text you want to appear on the cover. The clearer your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Once everything looks good, tap Generate and let Leonardo AI create your cover options. After the images appear, review them carefully and choose the design you like best. Then simply download your favorite option to your mobile device gallery, and your ebook cover is ready to use.